North of your 540 now, staying on 40 eastbound.
Move! Okay. I'm behind it. We're in the left lane, traffic's gone. Got the Dame unit with me. We got plenty of Dame units.
Alright, 6 trying to come behind you. Still one stranger again between us. Stranger got traffic. Alright, TBI, before the scale.
TBI, before the scale.
10-4, TBI, just before the scale.
Oh, get out of the car! Get out of the freaking car! All right, I got this side.
Copy 1015. Not releasing it.
Wait a minute.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. We'll get it figured out.
Oh,
Here, the problem is you're not stopping.
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you not see blue lights behind you?
I'm sorry, sir. Oh, I don't know.
Right to jail. Okay, all
Okay,
right.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we'll get it figured out, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, hold on a second. Where are you coming from?
I'm sorry, sir.
No, get up. No, get up.
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir.
Anything on you? Any weapons, nothing like that?
Oh, yes.
Weapons? No weapons?
Oh,
Is there a reason why you didn't stop?
Sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, hold on.
Sorry, sir.
Anything illegal in the vehicle? You have anything illegal in the vehicle?
I car faster.
It's a rental?
I car faster. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Sorry,
Why are you not stopping for me? I've been behind you for 5 miles trying to stop you.
Oh, I stop.
Why didn't you pull over?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's not sorry. Why?
Come this way. No, get up right now. 26, 14 with 1015.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Come on here with the trooper over here.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir.
Wait, I'm looking for Van Buren.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, so, do you understand what's going on, okay?
I English not good. I Chinese, okay?
Do you understand? What language you speak? What language? Where are you from? Where are you from? Sorry. So, you're going to go on that officer over there, okay?
I'm sorry.
Okay, so listen, okay, hold on.
Okay, yes.
So, the reason where you got,
Yes, license, yes.
you know, these officers trying to stop you and you're not pulling over.
Where's the key? unlocked.
I'm
Okay.
sorry, sir.
So here's the thing. The reason you're on arrest is because this officer's trying to stop you. You're not pulling over, so that's why you got
I'm sorry.
anything illegal in the vehicle.
I'm sorry.
Okay, do you have any weapons, any drugs, nothing like that in the vehicle? Okay, listen,
Like car?
is that a rental or yours?
Like car, sorry. I have like
Car. The rental or yours?
Right now,
Vehicle, yours?
license.
Hmm?
No, sir, I have it. Correction.
I'm not going. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sit down. Sit in there. Okay. Sit in there right now, okay? We'll get it figured out. I don't understand what's going on.
Never good. Pretty close to the TV out right in front of you though. I've never seen that. I'll say on the complete opposite end of the road. Hi. Holding up. She spun back around to hit me.
I don't think she even know what's going on.
No.
Female. She keeps saying like I'm sorry, I'm sorry. She can barely understand.
It's going to be missing there, because she never got over to say never exceeded the speed limit.
Well, I'm out of here. Yeah, we need to go before something else going on. I didn't do anything, so I'm